We know that God's love is constantly comforting us, but we're hurt. Taylor is in a better place. I hurt that I don't get to see her or get to hug her or get to her fall asleep in my lap or pick her up at school or take her to school. What I hurt over is the memories that we're not going to get to make anymore. But we know that Taylor would look at us and say, I don't want to come back. I'm in heaven, I'm good, I'll see you when you get here. So we're happy on that, but we're hurt. And I don't know when we'll get past that. But we will continue to get up every day, love each other, love God, love our family, and do what we can for whoever needs us, and be there for them and be a support for them if they need us. If we can help anybody, we'll do it. She loved people. She had a big heart. She did. She didn't meet strangers. She could be shy in the beginning, but once she got you, you couldn't get rid of her. She saw everybody almost as family.
It definitely will test you for sure, and definitely hit you right in the gut, and in a way see what you're made of, I guess. Whether you're gonna just fall to the bottom and stay there, or you're gonna get up and climb your way back up to the top.
We'll talk about God a lot, but even He says you're going to go through storms. You're going to go through trials. You're not promised not to go through hard times. In that hard time, what you do through it, to get through it, and who you lean on to get through it, and how you overcome it, you see who you are and what you're made of. Yeah. And to be honest with you, we're made of nothing but the love and faith of God. Without His love, we would not be where we're at today.